Hi, this is Maria, and today I'm gonna show you how to trace a freehand mandala. So usually in my mandala tutorials, we trace a mandala grid ahead and we fill it with the patterns. Today I'm going to show you how to do it freehand. It means without a grid. So for this tutorial, you need a white paper or a cardboard. Here I'm drawing on an A4 white paper, and I have the fine line drawing pen that is 0.5. When drawing a freehand mandala, do not choose a very fine pen, very thin I mean, in the measures. Try to use something that is slightly thick, 0.5, because the lines will not look shaky. Okay, so I will start from the center. And I'm going to trace a very small circle. Okay, now I'm going to imagine in my head that I have a mandala grid. So if I had a mandala grid, I would have the cross that goes through the whole circle. I zoomed in for you to see. So I just placed like 4 points to represent the cross that usually I trace on a mandala grid, the horizontal and the vertical and horizontal line. And then I will imagine in my head that I have grid lines separated by 45 degrees, which means that I have to add in between each dot another tiny dot. Okay? So I'm starting with arc petals. Okay, so this is a very small flower. Now, above each arc petal, I will trace regular petals. Okay, above each arc petal. So, now I'm gonna teach you a trick, because sometimes when you're freehand drawing, your petals start leaning towards the right or towards the left. So to avoid the leaning of your patterns, try to imagine the center of your arc petal, okay? And try to put a very small dot right where you want your regular petal to reach, okay? And then from this dot I have placed, I will start tracing my regular petal. When drawing a freehand mandala, you should not worry about symmetry, because you will hardly get it. Personally, I don't get things extremely symmetrical when I'm freehand drawing, but I don't care, because freehand drawing a mandala is like doodling, and when I'm doodling, I feel relaxed, and that's the point of my work. So do not feel tensed over trying to get the sizes equal and a symmetrical distance between each shape. Okay, so this is a very easy and simple freehand mandala, and as you see, there's a lot of imperfection in it. And what's beautiful about this art is that it teaches us a very important lesson in life, that we can make something beautiful from the imperfections, whether it was from our imperfections or from anything else's imperfections. So if you look at this mandala, you will find it beautiful, but if you contemplate and concentrate and look at the details, you will find that it's a little bit leaning towards my left here, but it's okay. Just remember, when trying to draw a freehand mandala, you will try to visualize the grid in your head. In order to do this, you should have tried the mandala grid before, so you can visualize it properly. And go ahead, try your own freehand mandala, and you can send me whatever you have tried doing on my Instagram account, so I can create a shout out for you on my Instagram stories. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow with another tutorial. See you. Bye bye.